Hi everyone! In this video you will learn how to catch rare Pokemon in Pokemon GO. Visit different types of habitats like park, beaches, and forests to encounter a variety of Pokemon. Activate incense to attract Pokemon to your location, increasing your chances of encountering rare ones. Place lure modules at Pokestops to attract Pokemon to that area, including rare species. Complete special research tasks and field research quests that reward rare Pokemon encounters. Participate in raid battles to catch legendary and rare Pokemon that appears as raid bosses. Identify and visit Pokemon nests where specific species, including rarer ones, frequently spawn. Join Pokemon GO events that feature increased spawn rates or special appearances of rare Pokemon. Some Pokemon appear more frequently during specific times of the day or night, so vary your play schedule. Certain Pokemon are more likely to appear during specific weather conditions, so check the in-game weather and go out accordingly. Use third-party trackers or maps to locate specific Pokemon in your area. Hatch eggs obtained from Pokestops and gifts to potentially find rare Pokemon, including regional exclusives. Trade Pokemon with friends or other players to obtain species that are rare in your region. Participate in community days to catch Pokemon with exclusive moves or increase spawn rates. Keep an eye out for special events like Safari Zones or Pokemon GO Fest, which often feature rare spawns. Occasionally, rare Pokemon can be found defending gyms, so check nearby gym regularly. Focus on areas where rare Pokemon are known to spawn based on community reports or local knowledge. Be patient and persistent, as finding rare Pokemon can sometimes require multiple attempts or visits. And that's how to catch rare Pokemon in Pokemon GO. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.